Welcome, fellow nature enthusiasts, to a thrilling journey into the incredible world of birds. Prepare to be amazed by some of the most unique and fascinating feathered creatures on our planet. From towering giants to lightning-fast hunters, these birds truly defy expectations. First up, meet the magnificent ostrich, the undisputed heavyweight champion of the bird world. These colossal birds primarily graze on plants, showcasing their impressive vegetarian diet. To aid their digestion, they cleverly swallow pebbles, a truly unique adaptation for processing tough vegetation. Next, we journey to Australia to encounter the emu, a master of speed and a hardy eater. These impressive birds are renowned for their incredible running abilities, effortlessly covering vast distances. Their diet is wonderfully varied, munching on plants, fruits, and even the occasional insect. Prepare to be captivated by the cassowary, often called the dinosaur bird, due to its prehistoric appearance. These stunning creatures primarily feast on fallen fruit and fungi found on the forest floor. Occasionally, they supplement their diet with small animals, adding to their mystique. Zooming into action, we have the legendary roadrunner, a true marvel of speed and precision. These agile birds are expert hunters, dashing after lizards and insects with incredible swiftness. They even bravely tackle snakes, showcasing their remarkable predatory skills. Witness the awe-inspiring secretary bird, a true avian warrior known for its incredible hunting technique. These magnificent birds are famous for stomping on their prey, primarily snakes and small mammals. Their powerful kicks are a sight to behold, making them formidable predators. Finally, let's admire the graceful crane, an epitome of elegance in the avian world. These beautiful birds are meticulous feeders, delicately pecking at grains and various insects. They also enjoy small aquatic creatures, showcasing their adaptability across different habitats. What an extraordinary lineup of feathered wonders. Each bird, with its unique diet and hunting strategies, reminds us of the incredible diversity and ingenuity found in the natural world. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and cherish these amazing creatures.